Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your extended love reading for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so I have already uploaded your general reading and you can have a look on that. I have uploaded your main reading, you can have a look on that too. So one more time I'm going to tell you this, that there is someone from your past who is your soulmate, who is either a soulmate or a twin flame, who is coming back towards you, okay, with a stable committed offer to give you equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. Maybe in the past this person was juggling a lot here, they were unable to give you a balance here, and maybe they broke your heart, they put you in a third party situation, but now a lot of communication is coming towards you here, Aquarius, from this person's side. Okay, you need to keep your patience here, or this person is keeping the patience here, and some kind of judgment is happening right now. They are in a hermit mode and they are doing the manifestation. The magician and the hermit both are here. This is someone who is very spiritual, I can say that. Okay, they know how to manifest, they are manifesting you, they are doing the soul searching, they're looking the answers from within themselves here. And this can be a water sign because heavenly water is here. I am having here the pair of King of Cups and the Queen of Cups, power couple, the proper divine counterparts. They are rushing towards you, they're coming towards you with a lot of speed. And I can see one more thing, there is someone who is coming back from your past. Okay, a past person and a new person. There are two person energy which I can see right now, but I am going to clarify more, so I will let you know more about it. This King of Cups wants to get married to you. Hierophant and Three of Pentacles is here. This person wants to get married. Okay, they want to marry you. And if you are already married with this person, that can be a possibility. In the past, this can be a person who, with whom you are already married with. Okay, or you were committed to this person for a long period of time. Okay, you are going to get receive your clarity here. Ace of Swords is here. Okay, there is your wish fulfillment which is going to come here, Aquarius. There is some kind of stable committed offer which is coming towards you. Now let's see, let's start your clarification and let's see what are the clarifications of these energies in a more deeper level. Okay, right now maybe you are unable to sleep. Okay, you are spending sleepless nights, but soon there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you. Now let's start your extended reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out in extended love reading. See, bottom of the deck I'm having King of Cups. Wow. Okay, now let's see why there is Ace of Swords here. This is beautiful. Three aces in your reading. Ace of Swords is being clarified by Ace of Cups, and see, can you see? This wants to show me King of Cups. Right now you are holding back with this person. You are not giving the energy to this person. Can you see? Ten of Cups. Either you are already having a family with this person, because here I'm having Ten of Cups energy, or if you're not having family, so this, with this person you want to have family. In the past you want to create family with this person. You are looking with this person to get married to, with you are looking children with this person, you want to get settled with this person, but right now you are holding back from this person, you're not giving the energy. But now you are going to get your clarity that who is going to give you emotional fulfillment. Your emotional fulfillment, who is going to give you, you are going to receive that clarity. Okay, you are going to receive that clarity. Beautiful. Why there is Nine of Cups here? Clarify Nine of Cups. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. High Priestess is here. Use your intuition. Your intuition will guide you properly. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Lovers and Six of Cups. This is someone from your past who is your soulmate. Okay, that is your wish fulfillment, who left you out in cold. Okay, with whom you are having lot of conflicts, but now they are manifesting you. The Magician is here. They are manifesting you. See, then they are manifesting you. That is your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups here again. Beautiful. Use your intuitions. That's the message here. Okay, Nine of Cups, Nine of Cups. So they are manifesting you, Aquarius. This is someone from your past. The soulmate card is here. Six of Cups is also a soulmate. The Lovers is here. Can you see? The Lovers is here twice. So this is your Lovers. This is your soulmate. Use your intuitions. High Priestess is here. Your intuition is trying to guide you right. Why there is Ace of Pentacle here? Please clarify me. Ace of Pentacle. Page of Wands. 10 of Wands. Clarify me. Ace of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Clarify me. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. Wow. Right now you are single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Okay, many of you Aquarius are single. You are enjoying your singlehood. Page of Wands, 10 of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. You are releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on. I know it took lot of time here. Knight of Pentacles is here. So it took lot of time to get the clarity. Okay, lot of time was here. That means for your clarity there was lot of time which you take. Okay, you take lot of time to get your clarity here, because this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. So there was lot of time which you took for this clarity. Okay, but now you're releasing all the burdens which you are carrying, or you're completing it. Okay, there is no 11 in the tarot deck here. You're getting your clarity, that is for sure. Maybe you took a lot of time to receive this clarity, but clarity is coming towards you. Why there is Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles. Okay, so this is your energy here. Fine. So this is you, Aquarius. You are someone who is financially stable, grounded. Here, can you see? King of Pentacle is your energy. So that means that this is you. Okay. So you are financially stable, you are grounded, you know how to manage your finances. Okay, and you are emotionally available. You are very emotional, because Queen of Cups is someone who is very emotional. Okay, who has psychic abilities. Okay, who uses their intuitions. Okay, so you are having lot of finances, you are grounded, you are independent. Why there is King of Pentacle here? Six of Cups. Clarify me. Lot of cards. Clarify me. King of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Pentacles. See, this is your match here. So there is someone from your past, Aquarius. Again, Six of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles is here. Okay, so this is someone from your past with whom either you are married or you are committed to this person for long period of time. Okay, you are having lot of options right now to choose. You have multiple options to choose here, because here I'm having Seven of Cups. So you are having lot of options to choose here. You have multiple options to choose. I told you I can see two energies which are coming towards you. Okay, there are two energies. One is from your past and one is the new person in your life. So you have lot of options to choose. But with one person you are going to get married here, and which is your perfect match here, which is your soulmate, which is with whom you have spent many past lives together, who is your wish fulfillment. Can you see the lovers, the nine of cups? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now let's see knight of swords. Why there is knight of swords here? Clarify me knight of swords, queen of cup, and the moon. Okay, so they were unaware about their own emotions here, Aquarius. You know this truth already. Okay, they were having confusion. The moon energy is here. 1144 was the recording reading time. So this person was unaware about their own emotions. Okay, they were having lot of confusion. Okay, there is queen of cups, six of pentacles, and the queen of swords here. Can you see? You want equal amount of give and take, and you know this truth. Okay, you know this truth that this person has confusion. Okay, this person is not clear about their own emotions, and this person will give you equal amount of give and take. You already know this truth. Can you see? Queen of swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, so you already know this truth that this person is having confusion, and once the confusion will get clear, this person will come towards you, will rush towards you, and they will give you equal amount of give and take. You already know this truth. Beautiful. Clarify me king of cups. Why there is king of cups? Seven of swords. Why there is bottom of the deck? I'm having king of swords and the hangman. They are in a hermit mode, they are in a enlightenment mode. This is your pair, and all I'm telling you again. See, again, the king of swords and the queen of swords both are here. But with this person there is a problem, and what the problem is? Okay, the problem is that this person is someone who gives you lies, cheating, manipulation, and they always get success in that. Okay, and they move in a forward direction, leaving you behind in search of nine of cups. But now they're going through with lot of pain. Can you see? Because of their deceptive nature, because of their lying, cheating, manipulation, because of that nature, they are going through with lot of pain now. Okay, they're also completing a cycle. 10 of swords. This person is going through with lot of things in life now. They always get success. 1414 was the recording reading time. They always get success in giving you lies, cheating, manipulation. They always manipulate you and leave you behind. Move in a forward direction. They move in a forward direction, leaving you behind. Okay, but now they are going through with lot of pain. Okay, the 10 of swords is here. So they're going through with lot of pain. The all swords are back, and this person knows about this. See, they leave you back behind here with the 5 of pentacles. They left you behind and they move in a forward direction in search of 9 of cups. and now they know the truth. Now they are going to get the no. The Queen of Swords and King of Swords both are here. So this King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. So now they know the truth, that who is their wish fulfillment, who is the Empress here. Okay, who is the Empress, and they want to give you justice here. They want to give you justice. Clarify me Three of Pentacles. Okay, clarify me Three of Pentacles. Page of Swords. They're keeping tabs on you, Aquarius. They're keeping tabs on you through social media, WhatsApp, because you ignite the passion in them, Ace of Wands. They are very passionate towards you. Clarify me Hierophant. Clarify me Hierophant. They are at the crossroads here, Two of Wands. So they are at the crossroads to make a decision. They have to make a decision here, Aquarius. The Chariot, the Tower, and the Three of Wands. Lot of movement cards I can see here. Can you see? They are going to move in a forward direction. That's why here there is lot of movement. Why there is Knight of Cup? Why there is Knight of Cup? The Star. They're coming towards you to give you this cup here, Aquarius. They're hoping for new hopes, new desires with you. They're hoping for you. They want you basically. Let me clarify why there is Two of Pentacles here. Because of the third party situation. See, bottom of the deck. Knight of Cup and Knight of Wands. This was someone who was a player kind of energy in the past, okay? Maybe right now they are not a player kind of energy, but in the past they are having some kind of player kind of energy here. They cannot sit at one place. Okay, see. The Hermit, the King of Cups, and the Three of Cups. Again, they are in a hermit mode. They are in a hermit mode. They are doing the soul searching, that what their soul wants. This is your partner energy. Your partner is looking answers from within themselves. They're juggling a lot because of the third party situation here, and now they are meditating. They are doing the soul searching, and they're going within themselves to find the answers, that what their soul wants. Okay, this maybe in the past this was a non-committed energy. Okay, this Knight of Wands cannot give you a commitment. Okay, they will come, they will play, and they will ghost you again. But now they are looking towards you, Aquarius. Why there is Three of Swords here? Queen of Wands. There was a third party situation which was there. See, Queen of Pentacles, the Devil, the Three of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. So there was some kind of third party situation which was there, which was involved in your situation. And maybe they are dealing with the third party situation right now. Can you see how this Queen of Wands is laughing? Someone break their heart. The third party, maybe they were dealing with some other kind of person and they break the heart. See, that's right, that's the confirmation. Yeah, someone break your partner's heart basically. Can you see how this Queen of Wands is laughing like ha 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 ha. So yeah, someone broke their heart. They put this person in third party situation. Three of Pentacles. They put this person in third party situation. Some kind of devil energy, toxicity was attached to this relationship. Why there is Eight of Wands? Eight of Wands, Nine of Swords. Because this pending sleepless nights. Bottom of the deck I'm having Ten of Cups. They want to create happy family, happy life with you. They cannot sleep at night, Aquarius. They're spending sleepless nights here. I told you in the beginning only, maybe you cannot sleep at night, but this is your partner's energy. They cannot sleep at night, and communication is coming towards you. That is for sure. Lot of communication from this person is coming towards you. They want to communicate with you, and they will be communicating with you. Can you see? 2020 was the recording reading time. Why there is temperance here? Clarify temperance. King of Swords. They're keeping the temperance, the patience within themselves. They're keeping the patience. They are keeping the patience here. Can you see? This is your match. This is your divine counterpart, okay? Why there is judgment here? Clarify me judgment. Why there is judgment here? Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and the Knight of Swords again. Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords. They are coming. They are coming, running towards you. They are rushing towards you. Maybe right now you will receive some kind of small message or small offer from this person, or a small apology. But they are going to give you some beautiful things, Aquarius. I can say that. Why I'm saying that? Maybe right now, maybe you will hold back from this person. You are not ready to open up. That can be a possibility. You will not open up with this person at all. But they are going to give you Ace of Cups. This is beautiful. Two of Cups, Ace of Pentacle, Nine of Cups, the Lovers, and the Ace of Wands. This is beautiful. Why there is Hermit here? Why there is Hermit here? Clarify me, Hermit. Why there is Hermit? The Wheel of Fortune is moving in their favor. In your favor, in their favor, it's the same thing. But Wheel of Fortune is here. Let me close out my AC. It's too cold here. Why there is Magician? What are they manifesting? What are they manifesting? Wow. They're feeling restricted, stuck here because of the drama, fighting, arguments which are happening in their life. This is self-imposed mind thoughts, I can say that, which we, trapped in our own mind thoughts. So this is self-imposed, I can say that. Eight of Swords, restrictions, self-imposed restrictions, okay? So they are thinking that because of the fighting, drama, arguments in the past, you are not going to accept them, but they are manifesting you, Aquarius. Can you see? Ace of Pentacle. They're manifesting a stable, committed offer. They are manifesting a commitment with you, because you are the wish fulfillment for them too. But they're feeling restricted here because of the past events. Clarify me, Lovers here. Clarify me, Lovers. Why there is Lovers here? Five of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and the Death card. Whatever defensive mode was on, that situation is going to end. If they left you out in the cold and your guards were up, you were protecting your energy, that situation is going to end. Death and rebirth is here. That situation is going to end here, Aquarius. Clarify, Lovers. Whatever you are holding back with this person, here your guards are up, you are standing straight, and you're saying that I am a warrior, I'm not going to give up, I'm fighting for myself, okay? Because this person left you out in cold. and you are not ready to open up with this person, but that situation is going to end here. Death and rebirth, new cycle is going to start. Okay, let me see what are the messages you want me to give. King of Air, what are the messages you want me to give? What are the messages you want me to give? Clarify me, what are the messages? See, they are spending sleepless nights here. Can you see? King of Swords and Nine of Swords. They cannot sleep at night here, Aquarius. They're spending sleepless nights. I want to know more about this person. Nine of Swords. They cannot sleep at night. They're spending sleepless nights here. From my both deck, they're spending sleepless nights. What are the messages you want me to give for this reading? Empress. They see you as an empress here, Aquarius. They see you as an empress. Okay, they see you as someone who is an empress. Patience. Keep your patience. See, Nine of Wands again. You are keeping your patience, and you have to keep your patience. Hermit mode is here again. This is Five of Pentacles. They left you out in cold, and that's why you are keeping your patience. You are standing strong, and you're saying that I'm not going to give up. Can you see Nine of Wands again? Five of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Standing strong. But don't worry, that situation is going to end for you. Okay, there is Hermit mode again here. They're doing the soul searching. Keep your patience with you, Aquarius. Keep your patience. And they see you as an empress here. Any other message for this reading? Please give me any other message. Seven of Swords, Page of Wands, and Ten of Swords. See, I told you. Because of their deceptive nature, because of the deception, lying, cheating, manipulation, they're going through with a lot of pain here. Can you see? Same energy. Seven of Swords, Ten of Swords. Okay, because of their lying, cheating, manipulation, they're going through with lot of pain, sufferings here, heartbreak. All swords are put in their back. And now they want to take a leap of faith. The Fool is here. They want to take a leap of faith. They want to come towards calmer waters here. Let me see more message. Can you give me any other message for this reading for Aquarius? Wow. Unexpected changes are coming in the Tower movement is happening in this person's life, and this is your divine counterpart, the Emperor and the Empress again. I was just looking for that, whether Emperor wants to come out or not, and it is coming. This is your divine counterpart. They're going through with the Tower movement here. Unexpected changes are coming in your person's life. This is the divine intervention. This is the sudden changes which happen so that they can make a lot of changes which are necessary for them. Here, can you see the Tower? They're going through with a lot of changes, sudden unexpected changes in the life. But this is your divine counterpart, the Emperor and the Empress. Any advice for any advice for Aquarius? Wow, the clarity will come. Right now maybe you are feeling like an hangman, Aquarius, but don't worry, the clarity is coming towards you. The Ace of Water, the Ace of Cups, both your emotional fulfillment and your clarity both are coming towards you. Both are coming towards you, Aquarius. You are going to complete a cycle with this. Beautiful. Whenever the sun and moon come together, this is your divine counterpart, this is your love, and which is coming in this deck too. Sun, moon, and the love. Okay, this is King of Pentacle, Six of Wands, Page of Cups. They will call you, they will call you, and they're gaining the strength to approach you here, to apologize to you, Aquarius. They want to get success with you. Transformation is taking place in this person's life. Transformation is going on. Ten of Wands, Ten of Cups, and the Star. See, they want to give you Ten of Cups, happy family, happy life. They want to create that with you. And now they're releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on their shoulders. So this was your extended love reading. I hope it helped you out in some manner. And this is very beautiful, Aquarius. This is very beautiful. I can say that. Okay. This is your love. This is your, the star and the moon both are here in this reading. This is your love. Okay. The Emperor and the Empress both are here. Your clarity, your emotional fulfillment is coming towards you. I can say that. In every deck, I'm getting the Ace of Cups. Can you see? Ace of Cups and the Ace of Water. Ace of Cups and Ace of Water both are here. Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords. Three aces, Ace of Swords from three of decks. Your clarity is coming towards you. Okay, your clarity is coming towards you. Maybe right now you're feeling like in hangman, but don't worry. Things will get better. This is your divine counterpart. The Emperor and the Empress both are here. They're going through with lot of pain. Okay. The Ten of Swords is here. You need to keep your patience. Okay. So that was your reading, Aquarius, and it was very beautiful as always. Okay, there are many power couples here. King of Swords and Queen of Swords are here. You are going to complete a cycle with this person. The World card is here. Okay. There is Queen of Cup and the King of Cup. Both are here. Okay. So that was your reading. I hope I help you out in some manner, and I tried my level best to deliver all the messages which I was getting for you, Aquarius. If you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Sending you lots of love, healing, light, and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius. Take care of yourself and see you soon.